Okay, now I'm back again. Finally, I'm getting good health. Okay, so now next question is from. Okay, so let me just repeat the question from Anand. The question is from where to start in the playlist. You can what you can do is you can go to my channel, which is Telusko Learnings. There you will go to playlist page, and the playlist page you will get a playlist called as Java Tutorials for Beginners. Okay, and there you will find the complete list. I guess I have approximately 171 videos, and one of the videos already getting uploaded. It is completed. 82% is completed, and the video name is Exception Handling. Okay, so yeah, so it must be 172 videos in my playlist. So where to start? Let me just share the link with you, where I will get the link. In fact, I guess if you can just search for go to YouTube and search for Java tutorials for beginners, the second link is mine. I'm not sure if it is for you. I get that for second link. We can do that, right? So I guess 9 people are watching. Let me know in the chat window what's the ranking you're getting there. Okay, so next question is from. Oh, I was supposed to share the link, right? Let me just share so it is 173 videos. That's awesome. Oh, for Ankit it is 4th. That's bad. That's very bad. So I just shared the link with you people. So in the link section, you can in the comment section, not in the comment section, the chat window, you can see we have a link for my playlist. Okay. Yeah. So. Okay, that's for Anand. Next question is from Engineer Gasm. Is this sarcasm? It doesn't matter. So I'm a regular follower. I want to know about any book for Java. There are lots of books for Java. In fact, in lots of my videos, I have talked about this. You can go for complete reference, the Java complete reference. I don't know if I have that book here. I guess it is in my shelf. Yes, it is in my shelf. No, that's okay. So you can refer to Java book, the complete reference from Oracle. Okay, it is now published by Oracle. You can refer to 8th edition or 9th edition, that will do. Yeah. Next book you can refer is Head First Java. But the problem is the content which is there in Head First Java is very old now. They are still going for Java 5, and when we are having Java 8 now. Okay, so I will suggest go for the complete reference. Okay, watch my video and then complete reference. Okay, yes. Yeah, I guess the first one is the ad, right? So if you search for Java tutorials on beginners, the first is the ad. The second is from, I guess, the person, I forgot his name. Yeah, programming knowledge, and the third one is mine. It's all because of you people. Because of you supported me, I'm getting that rank. Okay, next question is from Avir Singh. By the way, Avir, thank you so much, because I have seen your comments in my videos. You're helping people. Thank you so much for that. I was supposed to thank that itself in the comment section on that video, but I forgot to mention that, so I'm mentioning here. Thank you so much for that. Okay, I hope you will help other people also with that. Java Primer. I don't know what is Java Primer. Prathamesh. Okay, next question. Yeah, Avir, I'm watching your tutorials, also reading the book suggested is really good book. Oh, you like that book, Avi? That's good. But I will also just use that complete reference book, because that is also a good one. You can refer that. Okay, by the way, still, if you are still watching this video, there is a like button there just below the video. You can just like it there, so that I will know that you're liking this type of videos. Okay, so yeah, so those are your questions. Let me just answer some questions from my earlier videos. So people have actually commented some questions. Let me just take up those questions there. Okay. So there's a questions from Bibu Pedi. I have i3 and 4 GB of RAM, but still not getting the emulator. This question is for Android. The problem is with in Android, it consumes lots of bandwidth, you know. I mean, a very, very big, not bandwidth, but it will consume lots of your RAM. Okay, it should have been, I'm getting it on second, please. Yeah, so when you open Android Studio, it will take lots of your RAM. So approximately 1 GB goes into Android Studio. And then when you open the emulator, that's a very difficult task. If you open the emulator, you have to set up everything. After that also, sometimes it doesn't work because your RAM is not sufficient. Maybe your there's some problem with the emulator. So what I will suggest, if you have a very low configuration machine, when I say low configuration nowadays, is i3 is a low configured machine, right? i5 is minimum now, because if you're going to work with any development tool, maybe Eclipse servers, Tomcat server, Glassfish server, NetBeans, Android Studio, you need i5 machine with at least 8 GB RAM, because we are going, day by day software is getting updated and we are not upgrading the hardware. So anyone, if anyone is planning to buy a new laptop, make sure it is at least i5. Don't go for i3 machines now, because they're outdated for programming. Okay. If your budget is not accepting it, then go for i3. Okay. But other than that, if you have a good budget, go for i5. So if you don't have a good laptop, and if you still want to run the emulator for Android, use your phone. Okay, because your phone will be having an option. Can you show me that option in the phone? Emulator option. Developers mode. Okay. Developers option, debugging. Okay, it should be where settings. Oh, it's been a long time I'm not using Android phone, right? So I forgot the settings thing. Anyway, so when you go for the settings, I don't know if it's clear to you. The problem is I'm using the front camera. Okay, so you can see everything is reversed there. Okay, but I will still try. So that's the last option. And here you can see a developers. Can you see that? Developers option. Click here and okay. I know you are getting it in reverse order. You can actually use your mirror. Okay, use a mirror to watch this video perfectly. Okay, and there's an option of there's an option of USB debugging. So you can actually take your Android phone and check this. Okay, there's an option of debug. Click there and connect this phone to your Android to your laptop. Open the Android Studio, run it. Automatically, it will show you the the emulator. Your mobile phone becomes your emulator now. Okay, so that's the thing you can do. Okay, Akash, it should had been first, sir. I'm getting it. Yeah, time being. If you search for Java tutorials, I'm coming on the second thing. That's okay. I'm working on my SEO part to get on the first page. It's all depend upon the number of watched. I guess it's depend upon the number of tags I'm using. It's depend upon the text captions. It depends on the watch time. So the more you watch my videos, it will increase the ranking. So I'm trying to make good videos so that you will watch it. Okay. Okay. So let me just take up the next question. Yeah. By the way, I just wanted to make an announcement from this Monday, the coming Monday, which is I guess what's the date for Monday? 23rd. So from 23rd, I'm starting the online sessions. Okay, This will not be free sessions, of course, because when I make for YouTube videos, it is broadcasted. But if you want to learn from, group of people, they can actually learn from me. So I'm going for the online session soon, which is on Monday. It will be done using. Just hold on. Just hold on. Yeah, so there was a guest in my office. Anyway, so I was talking about where was I? I forgot the point. I was talking about online sessions. So you can actually go to YouTube and what I'm talking about? No, not YouTube. So we can go for online sessions. So from Monday we are starting the online sessions. It will be around 7 a.m. IST, which is Indian Standard Time. So if you're from US, I don't know what time it will be for you. So it will be 7 a.m. IST. Okay, it will be done using TeamViewer. So I'll be using TeamViewer. I'll be showing you the meeting ID so that you can learn there. So if you are interested, you can actually go to my website, Telusko Learnings. There will be a registration tab. Is it done? Okay, so soon in 1 hour, you'll be getting the registration link on my website. So go to telusko.com and there's a register option. Register it. The course content is given there. Timing is given there. Fees is not yet fixed. That I will be confirm you once I guess by tomorrow I will confirm that. So yeah, that's it. Let's go for next question. Okay. Where do I find the next question? Okay. I get lots of questions for Android. Very technical questions. There are lots of questions here. Okay. So yeah, there's one more thing. I have uploaded. Pulkit, the estimated fees. I'm still trying to find out how many. It's all depend upon the number of people who will be joining the course. Because the problem is, last month I just started the offline course. I have my institute, not exactly my institute, but I booked a class in Bhandup area in Mumbai. So when I started with that classes, I got lots of requests from people because they were not able to. They were not in. Some people are not from Mumbai. Some people are not from India itself. There are some people from US. They want to learn using online sessions. So I thought about it, and I'm starting with that. So fees is not yet fixed. I don't know how much to charge for that. It's all depend upon the number of people joining. Okay, so let's see how many people are interested. So if you're interested, go to the website, register yourself. I will let you know the fee structure by tomorrow. So maybe by tomorrow evening, I will tell you the fee structure. Okay, so the next question. Yeah, so there's a question from Nick. Do I uploaded a video? Where is my app on App Store? So my app is there on App Store. Okay, you can actually go to Play Store. It's there. So go to Play Store, search for Telusko, and this is how my apps look like. So when you open the app, when you download the app, open it. So this is how it looks. Again, you can see a mirror image there. Okay, and if you can just click on the view codes, you can actually. Okay, so if you can click on Java. If I'm not able to see in my front camera, I can see everything reversed there. And if you want to know about the code of something, just click here. I don't know what I've clicked. This is multi-threading, right? So you can actually see the code here, right, for referring. If you're confused with the playlist, you know, there are lots of people, they go to YouTube, they're confused with the playlist because the videos are not in sequence. So what you can do is you can actually go to my app. There's an option of watch video, and if you go here, there's an option of Java, and this is, hold on, it's coming, it's loading. So this is the complete playlist. You can just watch one by one. Okay, so you can do that. So the app is already there in the Play Store. There's one more thing, you can actually give test after every session. If you're learning Java, if you want to test yourself, just go to start test. You have to log in first, you have to register for this. So you have to register for this. Once you register, you can actually give the test. Okay. So yeah, Pulkit, this is reverse order because I'm using the front camera. I don't like front cameras, but the problem is when you do the live streaming in my app, in this app, so I'm using a Wirecast Go for this webcasting here, and it shows me the health. Okay, so I can see a health signal there. It is green now, but before 15 minutes ago it was giving me red symbol there, which was the video is not streaming. So that's why I'm using the front camera, and that's why it is getting reversed. But you can actually download the app to see everything. Okay. Okay, next question is from, I have a question about object state and behavior, but sometimes we create object just as a remote control, just for reference, like scanner input. No, see, whenever you create an object, every object will have some methods, it will have some data, right? So when you say object state, it is data. And when you talk about methods, it is behavior, right? So every class will have data or methods. There might be some classes, there will not be any, they will not be having data, they will not be having methods. If you're talking about a scanner class, if you say scanner input equal to new scanner, so that input is a reference, okay, and the new scanner is the object. So if I got your question right, objects have state and behavior, but sometimes we create object just as a remote control. No, if you're saying scanner input is the reference, okay, and the new scanner is the object. So whenever you want to use a class, you have to create an object. Okay. There's a book called as, so Prathamesh says there's a book called as Programming with Java Primer. I have not heard about that primer. What's it all about? I don't have any idea about primer. Okay, so Sudeep says, I'm your regular follower. That's great. I'm BI developer and the owner of YouTube channel. Okay, you have your own channel. Will you guide me to some tips that I will follow to improve my channel? Okay, hold on. Okay, so now, so you have your own channel. That's good. To improve your channel, I don't know about the content you take, what type of content you cover. So, but the quality of the video should be good, because if you see my, the old videos of 2014 or 13. If you watch those videos, they are pathetic. The voice quality. I'm literally shouting in those videos. Because camera was very far. In fact, I was using my mobile phone to record my videos, so it was very far. I should think that if I shout, then only it will record my audio. So I should shout. But now I have improved myself. I'm not shouting. You can see I'm not shouting here. So make sure when you make a video, you have a good video quality and you got a good audio quality. That's the main thing for any video, and especially content, right? So I'm not sure that, of course, you would be making good content, right? But make sure the quality of your video is also good. So when I'm doing live streaming, quality doesn't matter, because live streaming matters. Even if I'm doing HD video in live streaming, it should stream properly. If you're providing a HD video and not streaming properly, that's very bad thing, right? But if you're doing a video which is recorded, make sure you're uploading a HD video, because nowadays people will see your videos on mobile phone. That's okay even if you have a low resolution video. But if now we have Android TVs, right? We have smart TVs, so people will be watching you on TV, and TV will be having a bigger screen. So you don't want your viewers to watch you with a very bad pixelate videos, right? So make sure your quality is good. I will also suggest upload your video once in a week so that your subscribers will stick to you, okay? Because people subscribe to your channel, they forgot about you. So make sure you upload good content, upload content every week, because people are waiting for you if they like you, right? So that's how you can improve your channel. So next is from again, Amitosh Jain. I'm watching you from Bangladesh. Oh, that's awesome. I got lots of subscribers from Bangladesh, Pakistan. That's awesome. Being Indian people watch me, that's good. But people watching outside India, that's a great achievement, right? So that's good. Maybe if I visit Bangladesh, I will meet you, Amitosh, for sure. Okay, so we have Sudeep. I have worked on maybe I tools, and I'm in planning. Yes, all the time. I need to know, is it worth investing my time on that? Planning on developing videos. How much can I expect per month? Okay, talking about money. If you want to earn money from YouTube, see, don't create a YouTube channel for earning, okay? We earn. I mean, I earn from YouTube, but not that much that, what's that? Yeah, so you cannot expect lots of money from YouTube. It's just if you're creating a media content, example, if you're making a dance video, if you're making any artful video, dancing, singing, then you can expect lots of money. But tutorials don't earn much. The reason is lots of people don't watch tutorial videos because people who are interested only they will watch. There are people who are using ad blocks, right? So we got an extension in the Chrome which is ad block. People use that, and every time you use ad blocks, I'm losing some amount of money, okay? Because when you watch my videos, there are ads, and when you click on the ads, I will get paid from Google, right? So I'm not saying click that ad, but I'm just saying don't use ad block, okay? So people are using ad block, that's why we don't earn. So don't think about earning from YouTube. I'm doing YouTube videos because I love it. I love to interact with people. I love to share my knowledge. Earning should be, you should think about earning from different places. Example, I'm doing corporate training, so that's how I earn. I'm taking online sessions. That's how I earn, right? So if you want to earn from YouTube, don't go for videos. I mean, don't think about YouTube videos. But yes, you can earn. So investing means if you love it, then invest, okay? Maybe if you get famous, then you can earn more than you can expect, okay? But maybe if people don't like your video, they will not watch and you will not earn. So if you are investing huge amount of money just to get it back, don't do that investment now. What you can do is start with low videos. Don't invest much. You have a phone, you have a microphone. You'll be having your mobile phone microphone, right? So you can use that. You can use a mobile phone, make a video and upload it on YouTube. Check the response of the people. If they like your content, they will come back to you. Go for the AdSense, you will start earning. And step by step, when you earn, invest it. Example, I'm invested in my iPhone, I'm invested in my this microphone. So I earn in 1 year and I invest in my phone, right? So that's how it works. Okay, next question is from Pulkit. Any tutorials on graphics, canvas in Java? Pulkit, I was thinking about that when I was when I started with my Java tutorials for the first time. I was thinking about I will make animation videos on Java. But the thing is, no one uses that, right? Why you will create animation video using Java when you have animation softwares, right? So what you can do is, if you want to know how to do animation, I have my C tutorials on animation. You can just go to my channel, search for graphics in C. So I have done animation videos using C programming. You can do that, but Java I don't have any video on that. Okay, so Saurav, following you since a long time, tell us a little more about yourself, your background, why you started. Okay, that's a good question. Why I started everything? In fact, I'm thinking that I will make a video. What do you say? The videography about myself. Who am I? What I'm doing? But it will be for sure a 1 hour video. Okay, who am I? Because I talk a lot about myself. And what do you say to those type of people? I don't know. Anyway, so something about myself. My name is Navin Reddy. I'm a corporate trainer. I have a YouTube channel from last 3 years. I have 2 channels basically. I have a channel with my own name, and I have a channel with Telusko Learnings. I feel that having channel with your own name doesn't make that good. So I started with a new channel with Telusko Learning name. Aside from YouTube, I do training for different companies. I'm a trainer. I was a trainer at Accenture. I'm a freelancer trainer. So I've taken batches at Accenture, Polaris. In July, I'm starting with JP Morgan. So I provide training there. So at Accenture and Polaris, I was a Java trainer. For JP Morgan, I will be a software engineer trainer. Oh, that's awesome, right? So yeah, that's about me. I have my own office. So the video I'm recording here is my own office. So around this camera, I have my Android developers just sitting behind this camera. I have my iOS developer sitting near the door, and then in the other cabin I have my web developers. So that's about me. So yeah, the question why I started making videos is because whatever I learned throughout my career is from YouTube. Okay, so when I was in my BSc IT, so I wanted to learn Java. The thing is, Java is very difficult to learn, right? So I thought about joining a class, but the fees was very high. It was approximately 25,000 rupees for a course, right? So I have not joined it. So from where to learn? So I went to YouTube. I've searched for different tutorials, and I learned Java programming from YouTube. Okay, so that's why I thought, when you are getting something from YouTube, why don't you just contribute it? So I started contributing on YouTube, and then I got famous. Not that famous, but there are lots of subscribers. I got approximately 16,000 subscribers now. That's about me. Okay, next. So I'm there for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, so Pulkit, you know some tricks for SEO. That's great. Just send me those links. I will do some tricks for my channel, for my website. Okay, what happened? What additional things would be in your paid course, as you already uploaded the thing is, see, there are people, they want to ask questions. If you watch my videos, that's a good question. What will be different? The content will be almost same. The difference would be, I will be live with you. I can answer your questions. Okay. We can go in a self-paced course, because in online videos, I cannot cover everything. So that's why I'm going for a paid course. I don't want it to go for paid course, but people are asking for that, so that's why I'm going for that. I don't know what more I will cover in that, but I will make sure that I will cover each and every topic in the paid course. Okay, so next question from Bleeding Brace. If you open your Facebook Messenger, I have sent you questions. Oh, what's your name there? Blazing Blair. Oh, Himanshu, is that you? Okay. Yeah, I will. Yeah, sure. I will try to answer your questions, Himanshu. Okay. Which Java book will you help me for Android development? Okay. I would suggest there's a book called as Java for Android Developers. Okay, so I don't know, I have not referred that book, but we have a book name called as Java Developers for Android. So if you want to be an Android developer, start with that book. You will learn Java there. But I would suggest learn Java, separately, learn Android separately. Why to mix both? So use computer reference, learn Java, and then you can start with Android. There's no issue with that. Okay, so yeah, Himanshu, I will try to answer your question. I'm making an app. I'm facing problem with my app. Has many activities. So there's any way to different. In that case, you can create 2 projects. I mean, first of all, separate different modules. So the question from Himanshu is, he's making a project in which he has lots of activities. It is difficult to manage all those activities. So what you can do is you can create. First of all, divide your project into different modules and try to implement one module in one project, second module in second project, make it work individually, and at the end you can actually connect them. So just copy paste. That's how it will work. Yeah, so that's how it should do. So I guess that's it. There's one more question from, I guess the question is from Himanshu. I remember your comment on YouTube, Himanshu, why I suggest, I don't know, what was the comment from your side, Himanshu? Something about authors, right? Himanshu, if you're listening to this, is it about authors? Why I don't like Indian authors, why I prefer to use foreign authors. Being an Indian, you should promote India. Okay, let me just answer that question. If I'm not wrong, it was your question. How to make a button which should be an image. So we have an image button there. So we have an Android developer just sitting behind this camera. Okay, so we can use, you want to come into camera? No. So yeah, so we can use image buttons. I just got a prompt from there. So it is image button. Soon I will be making video on that. How to use image button, right? We can make, yeah. I will be making a video on that image button. How to use image. How to use how to make a, yeah, something. I will make a video on that. Java XML parsing. Oh, I forgot to make that video. I've made a video on XML. I made a video on Java, but not Java and XML together. I will do that for sure. Yeah, so let me answer your question, Himanshu. The thing is, I like Indian authors, okay? I like Indian authors, but the problem is, if you're saying that there are YouTubers on YouTube, example, New Boston, you have talked about New Boston, I'm sure, right? So New Boston videos, you don't understand. That's why you watch my videos, because you understand my videos. The thing is, if you talk about Indians, we are very, very, very talented, right? So every Indian, they're very talented, right? Even if it's teachers, because all over the world, Indian teachers are respected. In fact, I got some messages on YouTube and Facebook from my US subscribers. They like Indian teachers, not Indian, but Asian teachers. Anyone from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, they like Asian trainers. What about Indian authors? The thing is, there's nothing wrong with Indian authors. There's wrong with the Indian publication house. Okay, the thing is, if we talk about Java book, Oracle is sponsoring Java book, right? They are publishing it. So when Oracle publish something, they will make sure that each and every concept is correct. Okay, so they are making sure that everything is good, and thus they are investing lots of money to make that one book, because they know they will be earning from all over the world, right? So because they will be selling that book all over the world, and that's why they make perfect book. What about Indian publications? So even if I want to be an author, as Navin Reddy, I want to be an author, I have to write a book, right? So I have to set a price for that book. If I make a great book, if I spend my 2 years making a book, and if I want to publish it, publisher will take huge amount of money with them. Okay, so they will try to take huge amount of money. Since they want to make a business in India, they will try to make, they will try to set the low price for it. And since the book price will be low, they will try to publish it as soon as possible without checking the mistakes and all the stuff. So that's why if you refer Indian books, there are lots of errors in those books. Okay, and as Indian author, we get some pressure from the publisher that you have to publish this book in 1 year or in 2 weeks. So we don't get much time. So that's the problem with Indian authors' book. I'm not saying they are bad. It's just in that video I was referring that you should refer to foreign authors compared to Indian authors. Okay, if an Indian author is publishing a book without any publisher, example, you can, let's say if I'm writing a book, I can directly upload that book on this website, which is Amazon, as a publisher, and if you're reading that book, that will be awesome. But if it's going through the publisher, then there's a problem. So there's nothing wrong with the authors, it is something wrong with the publishers. It is same like Bollywood movies and Hollywood movies. They invest lots of money in Hollywood, they're earning it. Bollywood, we are just earning, we are not investing. Okay. Actually, Indians have something by which, yeah, exactly. So that's your answer, Himanshu. I hope you liked it. So By the way, time is already up. There's one last question from Arveer. How do you pronounce Arveer? Is it Arveer Singh? That's a very difficult name, Arveer. Arveer, yeah. So this is this year I'm going to be college. I want to take computer science. So is it important to be a good college to be a better program? See, college doesn't matter. Okay, in which college you go doesn't matter. Your programming skills not depend upon your college. Okay, even if you have great teachers, if you don't have interest, you will not you will not learn programming. And if you have interest, if you have bad teachers, that's okay. You can learn it for yourself. So don't depend upon college. Doesn't matter which college you join. You can learn programming by yourself. The only thing is, if you join a good college, you will get good buddies with you, good friends. Because you are the average of 5 people around you. If you get into college, a good college, if people are smart there, automatically you will become smart. Okay, so that's why go to good college if you want to get good buddies, but don't go to good college just to get programming knowledge. You can learn it from anywhere. After 12th, you can go for BSc IT, you can go for BSc BCA, you can go for BSc Com Science, you can go for BE, you can go for anywhere. You can go to anywhere, you can learn programming from anywhere. Don't think that college will teach you programming. Who is Tech Therapy? What's your name, Tech Therapy? Because your YouTube name is Tech Therapy. Is it Harsh? I'm not sure, because I'm getting lots of messages on YouTube, on Facebook from Harsh. Anyway, so that's it. That's the question. Last question from Himanshu. I use images from Google in my 100 project. I would suggest don't use images from Google. I guess we have free images all available, right? Icons, Google icons. So you can find the official Google icons that is for free. But don't use other people's images in your app. Okay, so it is Harsh. So the same answer applicable to you, Harsh. Akash, when you are going to upload all the design pattern videos, Akash, I am very bad with the consistency. I start with something and I go somewhere else. So I have uploaded the basics of design patterns, the design pattern which is very famous, factory, adapters. I've done that. I will try to make more videos on design patterns. Let me just note it down somewhere. Okay. Yeah, I will try to do that, Akash. Start with Java. Last question. Okay. Okay. I'm just ending the session in 2 minutes. Before leaving the session, just click on the like button there. Okay, so that I will know that you have liked this video. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and share this with your friends. Okay. Because 16,000 subscribers is not enough, right? I want some more subscribers to get more motivated. Okay, so Kalyan, I will suggest you to go with Java. The thing is, Python is very easy if you learn any other language. Learn Java thoroughly and then start with Python. If you go with Python, then it is very difficult to come back to Java, because if you're comfortable with Python, you cannot learn any other language then. Okay. MVC, sure, I will do that. Himanshu, I'm trying to complete each and every playlist, okay? Give me some time, soon I will be uploading all those videos. So that's it, I'm finishing this video. So, yeah, sure, I will do that grid view also. We're doing grid view, right? Grid view? We're doing that, right? Okay, so yeah, so I'll be doing that grid view also. So that's it. So make sure you like the video. Okay, that's it. Signing off.